back traveling together again. Now we're in Japan. Probably been to Japan. We came straight from there. Now we're ready to do some traveling.
Have you ever had an omelet with chow mein inside? Me either.
Look at this guy doing Tokyo big. Look at it. We gotta do a round shot just to see how awesome he is.
God.
That's a good line right there.
Think of the walking tour, the free walking tour?
Very good, very knowledgeable, very well spoken, and a little bit long maybe, but that's just my attention span. Yeah, but yeah, I got that.
Yeah, it was really great. Guy is a great tour guide. So if you're in Tokyo, go check him out. Free walking tour.
I'm so excited to eat Japanese food. I'm told if the food is good, you gotta slurp. I got approval, yeah.
Hey ladies, my sim, Franca, John's relaxing. I don't know, he's taking pictures of the cherry blossoms.